Namaskar, I am Dr. Varada Pandit, Kathak dancer and teacher. I have done my master's and recently completed PhD in Kathak from Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya. For me, it was a dream come true to obtain training in Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya. We all were fortunate to learn under eminent gurus. It was a golden opportunity for all of us to seek knowledge from none other than Dr. Kanak Rele. We acquired traditional training from eminent gurus Pandit Munnalal Shukla and Srimati Shama Bhate in Kathak. The thorough grounding in Shastras and in theory of Indian classical dance as well as other art forms in Asia and Western countries. We have acquired a wider vision as dancers, as choreographers, and it helps us while imparting training in practical as well as theory to our own students. Besides this, we all could closely observe the other dance styles, Mohiniyattam and Bharatanatyam, which in a way has helped us understand our style better. It was a beautiful confluence of art and academics in Nalanda that I experienced. This was the inspiration for me to continue research and complete my PhD in Kathak. Nalanda, in its true sense, is a Gurukul. It's like a family of teachers and students together. Even in today's times, Nalanda continues the Guru Shishya Parampara, wherein the students who learn in Nalanda are eligible to teach the future students. The principles, the ethics, all that we learn in Nalanda is imparted to our students. For all those wonderful years as student and as teacher in Nalanda, I will always be grateful to Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya, Dr. Kanak Rele, Principal Dr. Uma Rele, and all my teachers. I am truly thankful to all of you.
Namaste to all the viewers and pranams to my gurus at Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya. This is Gayatri Vasan, currently residing in Atlanta, where I practice Bharatanatyam and impart it to the local Atlanta community. I've had the proud privilege to be associated with the Nalanda family from the year 1986, where I joined the hobby classes. It's a 7-year course, followed by, I also did my Arangetram, which is the maiden debut performance. Then began my dance journey, where I joined the Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya, the College of Fine Arts, where I mastered in Bharatanatyam. I was awarded the Bachelors of Fine Arts as well as the Masters of Fine Arts. As they say, dance is an art and a science. For me, it became a religion, where I had a very holistic and a spiritualistic approach, right from usage of yoga to learning Sanskrit, the Deva Bhasha, implying it to the various shlokams from Natya Shastra and Abhinay Darpanam, to learning the practical aspects of Bharatanatyam from the basic adavis. We had a very intense curriculum. We used to have very intense workouts, yoga and practical classes, at least for about 4 hours in a day. It also complemented with learning the basic aspects of talam, the measurement of time, which we say, from learning how to compose a jati to choreographing our own choreographic pieces, which were taught at the master's level. We also had a very technical approach, where we would learn the technique of dance through aesthetics, exploring Natya Shastrams, also learning about the various other classical dance styles, Learning the Western classical styles, we also explored various Southeast Asian dance styles and having a comparison with the Indian classical art. We would also draw what we practically performed through the medium of journal, where we used perfect measurements of the sketches that we drew. So that was again the architecture of dance. We learned about various temples. We learned about the various dance poses, the karanas, the charis. And at the final year, we were awarded as a Masters of Fine Arts. And so it was, we explored each and every aspect of the art at Nalanda. So it's a proud privilege for me to be a student of Bharatanatyam, and I thank the gurus at Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya. Namaste.
Pranam to one and all. Myself Meghna Shashet. It's a pleasure to share my journey of learning Mohiniyattam style from the renowned and the best institute, Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya, which is based in Mumbai. Also extremely blessed to learn and have the knowledge directly from the mother of the institute, who is my esteemed guru, Padma Bhushan Srimati Kanakreli. My learning process wasn't so easy, as being the only student in the year 1997 for Mohiniyattam style. But I must admit, with the help of the positive surrounding, caring nature of the teaching staff and my classmates, I could complete my post-graduation in the year 2004 with the distinction. I was also blessed to perform on Nalanda stage from the first year itself, thus is boosted up my confidence to be with the performing troupe of Nalanda. Since then, I started traveling on and off with my guru to perform at various dance festivals in India as well as abroad. As the learning continues, the choreography lectures gave us the knowledge that how to control over the personal emotions, and that emotion switch to emotion of the given mythological character, plus to set those emotions of each character on particular tala, laya and hasta mudras were very unique and challenging. This transformation helped me a lot to grow as an individual. Nalanda also gave me the amazing opportunity to choreograph and gave the confidence to be in front of the professional camera on a television dance show. Under Nalanda, I was fortunate to receive a 2-year junior scholarship from the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, and also got a title Shringaramani from Sur Shringar Samsad for an outstanding dancer in the field of Mohiniyattam. As a scholarship holder, was given the responsibility to teach in the evening batches at Nalanda Dance Research Center for the period of 5 years. After that, I was confident to continue my teaching journey in the same field for the past 22 years now. My gratitude to my guru, entire staff of the institute, and of course Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya for grooming me as a wonderful teacher and a performer. The bonding with Nalanda, our second home, and their journey to spread this classical art will continue more and more. Pranam. Thank you.
Namaskar to all our viewers and my gurus at Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya. I am Mansi Sriraj Nair. I stay in western suburbs of Mumbai. I own my institute called Tapasya School of Classical Dance and Music. I did my post-graduation, my Master of Fine Arts in Bharatanatyam from Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya under the guidance of great Guru Padma Bhushan Dr. Srimati Kanakreli, our very own Kanakben. Before coming to Nalanda, I had already learned my Bharatanatyam and commenced my Arangetam too. But it is after coming to Nalanda, I learned to give reasons to my movements. In Nalanda, we are made aware of every movement that we perform. It is like a yogic experience. Just as a yogi is aware of his every breath he inhales, we are made aware of every movement we perform. The most important part, the most interesting part in Nalanda is drawing those small dolls in journals, wherein, with the perfect measurements of course, when we learn to draw the graphics of movement. Even today while teaching into my students, I use those methods, I use those graphics to teach them movements. And they learn movements, it's within a minute. In Nalanda, we learn dance through different aspects, like practical and theoretical aspects. When it comes to practical, we learn from basic adavus to the repertoire of Bharatanatyam, wherein many dance numbers are involved. We learn technique, that is perfect postures. We learn choreography skills, understanding of intricate talam, rhythm, playing natvangam, reciting shlokas, more than 300 shlokas. Then when it comes to theory, we learn history of dance. We learn about 7 classical dance styles and its comparison with other art forms from Southeast Asian countries. We learn philosophy, religion, aesthetics. Here students get enough opportunities to enrich themselves with cultural, spiritual and religious values. While learning this great art form, we come across art forms from Western ballets, modern dancing, and of course Sanskrit dramas. We have Natya Shastra with its different aspects of karnas. We learn to perform karnas, charis. We are taught 4 abhinayas with its theory. After the 7 years of rigorous physical and intellectual training, when we step out of the college, when we step out of the institute, we are a different person in total. Our perspective changes. We look at things differently. We look up at the challenges differently. We are a happy person from within because we know that we are learning this great form of art, and it is possible only because of this great curriculum that we went under the course during the 7 years of Nalanda Nityakala Mahavidyalaya. Thank you, Kanakben, for making this possible, and my gurus in Nalanda who made me capable to learn this and allowing me to be a part of this great institute. Thank you.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul and body. Dance is a poem of which each movement are the words. Namaste. I am Prabha Nambyar, currently residing in Dubai, UAE, and working as a cultural coordinator at Delhi Private School, Dubai. Dance is a passion and my very source of existence. After my initial training in Bharatanatyam, I was fortunate to come across this temple of art, Nalanda Nityakala Mahavidyalaya, one of the finest and leading institute of Indian classical dancing, founded by none other than our living legend, Guru Padma Bhushan Dr. Srimati Kanakhreli. Being directly under the maestro was a blessing by itself. We were very fortunate to learn the finer nuances, the finer detailing of each and every item. Her items were very well researched, and when it was taught to us, it was broken into finer fragments. Each and every detailing was clear to us and taught upon. So hence I would say we were shaped up in a very, very, very beautiful way. After learning the intricacies of choreography, Nritya Nritya pieces, and various Tala patterns, I was awarded the Master of Fine Arts in Mohiniyattam in the year 1992. 1998, I came down to Dubai, UAE, and landed up a job in school. Now the school over here has got different demands. Being a school teacher, had to cater to various needs. Is very particular in ensuring that each and every child gets to perform on stage. So the 100% participation was very, very evident. We had to train children who had different abilities. So yes, it was a challenging factor, but I would say Nalanda had trained me so well to ensure that each and every child is looked into and given the opportunity to be up on stage. So here I am as a cultural coordinator for the past 22 years, and I owe this to Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya, my guru Kanakben, for this beautiful journey. Nalanda is a way of life, and I'm eternally grateful to all my gurus for blessing me this great way of life. It has not only taught me the art form, but also have taught me the values and tradition of Indian culture. By making this fine institution, this temple of art, Kanakben has blessed thousands of young dancers. Thank you and my pranam.
Hello, Namaskar. Myself, Pooja Shukla. I have started my journey at Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya in the year of 2002. I have completed my Masters in Mohiniyattam. Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya has not only groomed me as a perfect classical dancer, but also strengthened me from inside as a human being. Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya provides you a vast knowledge about a dance. I'm sure you will feel lucky to be a part of Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya as I feel today. Thank you. I would like to thank all my gurus to make me what I am today. Thank you Nalanda, and thank you all my gurus. Thank you so much.
Namaste. Myself Radhika Sawant Choprekar. I did my Masters in Mohiniyattam in the year 2005. I received a scholarship from Mumbai University and also from Government of India. I was very fortunate that I got many shows to perform on various occasions when I was in Nalanda. We learned music, English, Sanskrit, yoga, musicology, sculpture, history, choreography and many more subjects. And in Masters we learned Natuangam. I think it's a full package for a dancer. Here I would like to mention that in the year 2000 I went for an audition in one of the famous Marathi theatre, Avishkar Chandrashala. But due to some reason I was late and the audition got over. So my mother requested them and they asked me that do you have any dance background or do you learn dance? So that time I told them that I was in Nalanda. I am in Nalanda. And that's it. I got selected without an audition. And I played the main role in that very famous Marathi dance drama Durga Zali Gauri, continues for 7 years. In 2015, again I was fortunate to get the job in very prestigious and reputed school, Delhi Public School, Nerul, Navi Mumbai, as a dance teacher for primary section. So I am very thankful, grateful and also proud to be a Nalandite. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaskar. I am Riddhi Gaurav. I completed my Masters in Fine Arts from Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya in the year 2004 in Bharatanatyam stream. Nalanda for me is an emotion. My alma mater, who not only provided me with a lifelong career in dance but has also instilled the love and knowledge for other classical arts. The various aspects of Indian classical dance like the technique of dance, musicology, religion, philosophy, sculpture, yoga, Natya Shastra, along with subjects like Western ballet, dance therapy, and dance pedagogy, have been covered and so very well taught and instilled in mind and hearts of the students that with this given knowledge, I strive to instill the same Guru Shishya Parampara in my students at my academy, Nritya Ranjani, since past 13 years. Nritya Ranjani is based in the suburb of Vile Parle at Mumbai and is affiliated to my alma mater, Nalanda Dances Center. As a Bharatanatyam performer, teacher and choreographer, it gives me a sense of gratitude and immense pleasure to be associated with Nalanda till today. Pranam to all my gurus at Nalanda. I owe this to you all. Namaskar.
Namaste. I joined Nalanda in 1990 and completed my masters in Bharatanatyam in 1997. Nalanda gave wings to my passion for dance to fly in the world of art. At Nalanda, we learned history of dance, technique, body kinetics, Sanskrit, philosophy, aesthetic, religion, sculpture, Natya Shastra, Karanas, Natvangam, choreography and lots more. During my 7 years of training, all the gurus were always behind me to bloom me to become a very good dancer. They also taught to become disciplined, hardworking and nurture me for becoming a very good human being. It was my golden period of my life when I was a part of Nalanda troupe, where we performed various productions of Nalanda in various parts of India. It was very safe and fun traveling with Nalanda troupe as we were with a family only. All my friends, seniors and juniors, we all were so close to each other even today also. Nalanda is my second family. Nalanda gave me opportunity to teach dance at very young age of 18. They helped me to earn while you learn. We learned how to choreograph for students, how to do Natvangam, and even they helped how to organize an Arangetram after completing a teaching of 7 years. I have experience to teach at Nalanda for more than 18 years. Now also, when I am taking my own classes, they are always behind me to encourage in all the possible way they can. Thanking all my gurus at Nalanda for standing always with me even today. Thank you.
Namaskar. Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya has been a name synonymous with my formative years of learning Bharatanatyam for multiple reasons. One being my mother, who has also been a student of Nalanda. Secondly, as a young student, I earned my 7-year certificate from Nalanda Dance Research Center, and then eventually when I became a full-time student for their BPA and MPA course. The structure of the whole 7 years degree program is designed in such a way that as you progress each year, the circle of learning starts becoming more and more complete. So in the end, you gain a holistic understanding towards your art form, as well as you can learn to relate it with the other art forms as well. Under Nalanda, I was fortunate to have received a 2-year junior scholarship from the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, during which time I was given the responsibility to teach the evening batches at Nalanda, which was also my stepping stone into the world of teaching. The balance between the theoretical and practical knowledge given at Nalanda shapes the dancer's understanding and helps us into becoming much better performers and educators in future. Thank you.
Namaskar. My name is Tanvi Bhalla. I have done my masters in Mohiniyattam from the prestigious college Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya. It's been 17 years that I have done my masters. When I look back at what I have learned from this great institute, it's just not only dance, but yoga, music, choreography, Natya Shastra, respect, values, discipline. I have gained knowledge to a level where I could share it with others. The passion what I carry with me, I was able to share with my students, and all this credit goes to our Guru. The Gurus have been very passionate about teaching and imparting their knowledge with each and every student. I would like to take this opportunity to thank them once again because they have been instrumental in my career, my life. As it is rightly said, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Thank you.
Myself V. Saumishri from Aurangabad. I was a student of Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya some 25 years ago, long time ago. And I studied there for 7 long years, from 1988 to 1995. I was a fresh dance aspirant from Hyderabad, and when I entered Nalanda, it was like a dream come true to me. And from foundation to degree to masters, I studied there, Bharatanatyam. And what can I say about my alma mater? What I'm today, what I'm doing, it's all due to Nalanda's education, Nalanda's training, Nalanda's values, all the teachers, my gurus, everybody's training there. Apart from dance, we also learned so much about Indian culture. We used to have workshops, seminars by experts in the field. We were so fortunate to interact with them. And of course, Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam, and presently Kathak is there. But that time, I enrolled myself in Bharatanatyam. And apart from the practicals, we had Abhinaya, Natuvangam, initially starting with Tatakali, the plank and stick, and their later Talam, Natuvangam Talam, and music, Carnatic music, musicology, history, sculpture, aesthetics, Sanskrit, English, and so much. And even physiotherapy, where we used to visit some hospitals to go and study polio patients, and using dance as therapy. So much dance as a whole. It's like when we pass out from there, after 7 years or 5 years, we are like a well-rounded, we are well-versed not only in classical dance but also in so many other spheres of Indian culture. What I'm today, what I'm doing today, what I'm pursuing, teaching, choreographing, organizing festivals, everything, I give credit to Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya and my gurus. After my passing out from MA dance, I traveled a lot in the northern India, and there also I taught Bharatanatyam. And in 2005, I came to Aurangabad, and for the last 14 years, I'm teaching Bharatanatyam here at my institute, which started with only 2 or 3 students in my drawing room, and it transformed, cemented itself into an institution now well known for classical dance training, Devamudra, a movement school. And also I was fortunate enough to teach when dance was introduced in the university here in Aurangabad, Department of Drama and Dance, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, where I was a contributory lecturer. So whatever I'm doing here in Aurangabad, spreading the awareness of Indian culture, classical dance, it's all due to Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya strong foundation and teachings. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Namaste everyone. My name is Vishaka Shah and I'm actually from Kenya. Dance and music were very close to my heart, but all this came into reality in 1997 when, as a foreign student, I decided to embark in search of my dream. And I came across Nalanda. Nalanda for me was an epitome of physical endurance, mental peace, and awareness, and a balance of emotional and spiritual guidance. I moved to India from Kenya to pursue my studies in Indian classical dance. This institute groomed me and introduced me to our culture. And I can very proudly say it helped me be what I am today. In totality, Nalanda was a family, and everyone who is a part of it and is a part of it became my family. I greatly thank everyone who has helped me to where I am today. Thank you.
नमस्कार, वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद, जय भारत। मैं वसंत बाबूराव हंकारे, सांगली। मैंने नालंदा नृत्य कला महाविद्यालय से 1998 में BFA बैचलर ऑफ फाइन आर्ट्स इन भरतनाट्यम इस पदवी को हासिल किया। कनक बहन, मैं पूरे तन से, मन से, दिल से और आत्मा से आपको प्रणाम करता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे जीवन में अगर नालंदा और आप ना होते तो शायद ये वसंत हंकारे आज ना होता। बहुत कुछ सीखा मैंने, बहुत कुछ सीखा। जी हाँ, बचपन से मैं नटराज की मूर्तियाँ देखता था, लेकिन सही मायने में असली नटराज का दर्शन मुझे नालंदा के हर एक गुरु में हुआ। कनक बहन, आपके अंदर मैंने नटराज जी का दर्शन लिया। जी हाँ, आप है इसलिए हम है, आप है इसलिए हम है। बहुत कुछ सीखा मैंने नालंदा से। मैंने नृत्य सीखा, मैंने नृत्य सीखा, मैंने नवरस भाव सीखे, सब कुछ सीखा। लेकिन कनक बहन, इससे भी पहले मैंने आपसे और नालंदा से इंसानियत सीखी। जी हाँ, एक वक्ता की हैसियत से पूरे महाराष्ट्र और भारत में आज मैं व्याख्यान देता हूँ। मेरे सामने 1000 से लेकर 10,000 तक, 30-40 हजार तक लोग रहते, वहाँ मैं बात करता हूँ, उनके सामने बात करता हूँ। जी हाँ, अगर मैं वाचिक अभिनय नहीं सीखता था, अगर मैं आंगिक अभिनय नहीं सीखता था, अगर मैं आहार या सात्विक अभिनय नहीं सीखता था, तो शायद कनक बहन मैं ये कुछ भी नहीं कर पाता था। जी हाँ, हमारी जो देह बोली होती है उसको कैसे पढ़ाया जाए, ये मैं शिक्षक लोगों के सामने जब इसको पेश करता हूँ, उनको आंगिक अभिनय मैं सिखाता हूँ, तो फक्र होता है। नालंदा की बहुत याद आती है, आप सब लोगों की बहुत याद आती है, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ मेरे लिए कॉलेज नहीं है। नालंदा मेरे लिए सिर्फ कॉलेज नहीं है, तो नालंदा मेरे लिए कुटुंब है। और आप सब लोग मेरे माता हो, मेरे पिता हो। माता पिता का दर्शन मैं आप लोगों में करता हूँ। जी हाँ, गुरु के साथ मैं आपको भगवान भी मानता हूँ। जी हाँ, भगवान मानता हूँ। इसलिए ये सब कुछ मैंने हासिल किया। गिरने के बाद कैसे उठते हैं और संघर्ष कैसे करते हैं, कनक बहन आपने हमें सिखाया। मेहनत कैसे करते हैं, ये आपने हमें सिखाया। नालंदा ने हमें सिखाया कि कैसे मेहनत करते हैं, पसीना क्या होता है, पसीने की अहमियत क्या होती है। कनक बहन, उस नालंदा से हमने सीखा। बहुत मेहनत की और आज यहाँ तक आए हैं। 3 मिनट में मैं व्यक्त नहीं हो पाऊंगा, लेकिन मैं इस 3 मिनट में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ। आज मैं हूँ सिर्फ नालंदा की वजह से हूँ, आपकी वजह से हूँ। बहुत संघर्ष करना चाहता हूँ और भारत में ही नहीं तो पूरे विश्व में अपनी इस व्याख्यान के माध्यम से मैं लोगों के दिलों को छूना चाहता हूँ। बात करते हैं, लेकिन लोगों के दिलों को कैसे छूते हैं ये भी मैंने नालंदा से सीखा है। लोगों को बहुत हंसाता हूँ, बहुत रुलाता हूँ। युवाओं के सामने मैं बात करता हूँ, तब सिर्फ और सिर्फ मुझे नालंदा की याद आती है। कनक बहन, आपकी याद आती है, जितने भी मेरे गुरु हैं उन सब की याद आती है। वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Namaskaram, I'm Roshali Chavan. I am a director of choreography. I choreograph film songs and an actor. I completed my degree in Bharatanatyam from the prestigious institute Nalanda Nrityakala Mahavidyalaya, which is run under the able guidance of Padma Bhushan Dr. Srimati Kanakrele. Nalanda for me has been a learning ground. It has laid my foundation of my creative possibilities. Any building is only as strong as its foundation, and my many years at Nalanda has laid a thorough foundation for me. The entire course in Nalanda is thorough, detailed, and challenging both physically and mentally, and it shapes you holistically, not just as an artist but also as an individual. Bollywood and classical forms are poles apart, but despite my training in classical forms that I received in Nalanda has thoroughly aided, and even as an actor, Nalanda allows you to have a very strong worldview of culture, religion, art in general, because of the sort of curriculum that we have, that it offers. The study of the Natya Shastra, the sculpture, thala, musicology, shlokas, the in-depth study of mythology. Everything prepares you from each artistic possibility, and I think that's the most amazing part about Nalanda, that it just doesn't train you to be a particular artist, but allows you to experience art in a wholesome way. Blessed with the best faculty, teachers who are extremely skilled in their craft and share generously. I've been very fortunate to be a part of this Nalanda family. I am extremely grateful for all that I have learned under the guidance of all the teachers and my gurus. I wish Nalanda more glory in the years to come.